Okay, so we just went over how to score the meat. I'm going to take it here, put it back on the counter. I'm going to take this piece that we just scored because we don't have a grill going here today, but we do have a wok. So if you're at home and you don't have the time to spark up the grill, or you live indoors, or you're in the city, here's another way to prepare it. We're just going to take the meat and slice it into thin little strips, just like so. And if you go to a restaurant, it's often almost shaved. But this will be fine. And it's very forgiving because you're going to give it a lot of time to tenderize and marinate. You don't have to cut out the fat unless you're really health conscious. You can. There's nothing saying you can't, but you don't have to. And the fat does tend to add a lot of flavor. And this is going to be, I think in sum total, it's about 1.25 pounds of meat. You can go for 1 pound, 1.5 pounds without really changing the recipe. So we'll just continue that until it's all done. And then we'll drop it in our bowl.